Transform your space with the perfect touch of elegance and style from Vibecraft Wall Decor. Discover our stunning collection of over 500 unique wall decor designs crafted to elevate any room, whether you are enhancing your living room, bedroom, or lobby. We have the perfect piece for you. You can choose from our premium floating frames in gold, white, and black. Our gold floating frame is a standout favorite, offering a sleek, sophisticated look. From religious painting that infuse positivity into your home to abstract art that brings a modern flair and nature-inspired design that create a peaceful and joyful environment. Our selection has something for everyone. Enjoy hassle-free customization, on-time delivery across India, and secure payment option. It's never been easier to make your space uniquely yours. Visit Vibecraft today and bring your walls to life.